Today, we're going to build a Baker Destroyer from Star Trek using 5 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
First, we're going to grab this 2x2 inverted radar dish. And inside or underneath the radar dish, we're going to get a 1x1 round plate and just put it right there in the hole underneath the inverted radar dish. Next, we grab this 1x1 plate with ring clip. You're going to put it so the plate goes into that round plate we just put in, and it gives it a little more depth underneath, and then on the back, just sticking out a little bit, are those ring clips. The next thing we do is grab these minifigure utensil hose handles. I think they look like guns, they get used like guns a lot, but what you do is you put that small little end, or the handle, into the side of our ring clip like this. And we're going to use 2 of those. We're going to put one on each side, and when we're done, we have a micro Baker Destroyer from Star Trek. But I think a top-down view could be used as the Enterprise.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.